Have you ever wanted to have a conversation with your computer? ChatGPT makes that possible. It's an advanced AI that understands and generates human-like text. Today, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT effectively. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. It's a language model created by OpenAI. This tool can help with writing, answering questions, and brainstorming ideas. It's like having a helpful assistant at your fingertips. Now, let's break down how to use ChatGPT in simple steps. First, visit the ChatGPT website. Next, register for an account if you don't have one. After that, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface. This is where the magic happens. To start a conversation, simply type your question. For example, ask, "What is the weather today?" ChatGPT will respond promptly. You can also ask for specific types of information. If you need writing help, say, "Help me write a poem." The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can assist you. Now, let's talk about refining your questions. If the response isn't what you expected, ask differently. For instance, instead of saying, "Tell me about dogs," try, "What are the best breeds for families?" This will yield more tailored responses. Remember, ChatGPT learns from context. If you share more details, it can provide better answers. Try starting a project, and use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Ask, "What should I include in a blog post about travel?" For creative writing, you can ask ChatGPT to continue a story. Provide an opening line and let it generate ideas. This is a fantastic way to overcome writer's block. In summary, using ChatGPT is easy and fun. Start with a clear question. Be specific for better answers. Remember, context matters. Now it's time to try it yourself. Go to the ChatGPT website, log in, and start chatting. Explore your creativity and solve problems with ChatGPT today.